What's going on, guys? Jeff Weibel here, and here are 3 multifamily real estate investing tips for all you noobs out there. This is just one of my apartments, but you guys need to research the market. Before investing in multifamily real estate, it is important to research the market to determine the demand for rental units and the potential for rental applications. Look for factors such as job growth, population growth, and the ability of competing rental properties in the area. Choose a property with strong financials. When investing in multifamily real estate, it is important to choose a property with strong financials to ensure a steady stream of income. Consider the property's occupancy rate, monthly rent, the operating expenses when evaluating its financial performance. Consider property management. Managing a multifamily property can be time-consuming and challenging, especially if you're not familiar with the local market. Consider hiring a property management company to handle the day-to-day operations and maintenance of the property, freeing you up to focus on other future investments. Check out these videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.